Hi everyone, I just wanted to, with this video, to quickly share a solution that I found to fix the Sentro Machine on the table. And it was just an out of the blue solution because my boyfriend, he went to fix an old clock glass that we have on the lounge. And so he came back with the acrylic parts that we used to have on this clock because someone gave this clock to us. And then I thought I'm gonna put my Sentro Machine on top of this acrylic and see if it works. And then I just wanted to quickly show you, because I was looking for that solution for moms, because I've been working with my Sentro Machine and it just goes all over the place, and it makes it so much harder to work when it's not fixed anywhere. And like with this solution, you just put it on a little acrylic square, and then you clamp it to the table. I'm gonna show you in a second. And then you can, it's still portable. You can use in any table you want. Like you can, go to, because I like to sometimes knit on the lounge with my boyfriend, and sometimes I'm doing here on the studio where I film all my patterns. And by the way, this is a pattern I made. Don't know if you can see it, but this is made with 2 panels on the Sentro Machine, and this is crochet. So I'll be posting this pattern soon as well. And if you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe, leave me a comment with your solution to the Sentro Machine problem, and give me a like. And so I'm gonna show you now the solution that I found and how I did it. And it was pretty simple, it's cheap, anyone can do it, and it really works, otherwise I wouldn't be showing it. So here, guys, this is the solution I found. As you can see, I put 2 clamps on top of the acrylic, and then I fixed the Sentro Machine with the suction cups on the acrylic. I actually cleaned the acrylic with a little bit of alcohol just before I did it, so it was a bit wet, and I think this helped for the suction cups to work even better. And this here, these are the clamps. And because this acrylic has this shape, just because it was the shape of the clock that we had, and so it could be square, you know what I mean? If you're gonna buy a piece of acrylic, you're gonna find a square one, and that's no worries. My piece just has this design here because I'm gonna show you the clock actually, because that's how the clock it is. And I wanted to quickly show you how it's working now. 1 second. So let me know in the comments what was your solution, if you find a solution for yourself, and as well if you tried my solution, because I think it's really like, first it works, and second it's a really cheap solution for a big problem really, because if you don't have your machine fixed on the table, it's gonna go everywhere, and it's gonna make it really hard to work, and it's not gonna be joyful like a craft should be. And so give me a like, leave me a comment, and subscribe to my channel, because I'm gonna be always making patterns every month, new patterns for the Sentro Machine, mainly clothes, but I'm thinking about a few accessories as well. And I just made this top here, so this top is gonna be available soon, next week I think. I'm trying to finish it. And that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and have a great week.